Hello, this video is to help you practice find the note G sharp on the E string. On page 21 of the Blue Book, you can see that this G sharp is resting on the top line of the music staff. You have these quarter notes, which are the circled in black notes with the stem going down, and you have the tic-tac-toe or hashtag sign, which is called sharp in music terminology. Now, when you make a note sharp, the tone goes higher. When you make a note flat, the tone goes lower. Higher means your finger goes toward your face. Lower means your finger goes toward the scroll, away from your face. So let's find out where we need to place our second finger, our middle finger on the E string, okay? So first the thin string closest to this side, when I have my violin up, is the E string. Now let's first find our F sharp, which is played with our first index finger. Most of you have these colored tapes on your violin fingerboard. The F sharp is right here. First finger and on the E string, and it sounds like this. There's our F sharp on our E string. Now let's find our G sharp. Now G sharp is going to be an entire whole step from my first finger. That means that it's far away from my first finger. It's not going to touch my first finger. And on your fingerboard, it's going to go right across from this short red tape, not the long red tape, but the short red tape. It goes right here like that. And the G sharp sounds like this. So back to F sharp, keep my first finger down. I'm gonna lift my second finger, F sharp, first finger on the E string. Stop, put my second finger for the G sharp. Excellent. Let's play this entire line. You have 4 G sharp notes in the first bar. Then the second bar, you have 2 G sharp quarter notes, followed by a G sharp half note, which gets 2 beats. Okay, from here, after counting 4 beats, please. Get my violin ready. Thumb is right here along the green tape, pointing up. Make sure you have the space. I'm going to have my first finger down on the F sharp, second finger again right here across from the short red tape. My hand position looks like this. I have my bow hold ready, and I'm placing it up the frog on the E string. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down bow, up bow, down bow, up bow. Second bar, down bow, up bow, hold for 2 beats. Excellent. Let's try that again without me saying anything. All right, so we're in ready position. Playing position, violin is up underneath my left neckline and shoulder like this. Get my thumb prepared like this. My left arm is away from the side of my body. Get my bow hold. Now I put my first finger on F sharp, this green tape right here. Second finger is away. There's a space, a whole step from the F sharp right here across from the short red tape, the short one, okay? Here I go. Bow is at the frog on the E string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second bar. Freeze at the tip, and then put your violin down.